Hey everybody, we're down here at the log house. This is where I also keep my tedder and my Massey Ferguson round baler and stuff. But this is where I've been hauling the dirt. We're kind of making a little bit of a parking pad in here's the plan. But when it rains, there's a lot of water that comes down from the road up there. It comes right down through here and washes right through there. I'd kind of like to continue this on over and kind of blend in that little low spot and take it towards the road, but it's going to wash if I do that. So what I'm thinking about doing is putting this pipe in right here and then building a little trench to divert the water into the pipe right there in that area and shoot everything on down over the hill. Sometimes there's enough water comes down through here, it's probably not going to catch it all. Unless I make a pretty good little sump hole there, which I don't really want to do because somebody running in it with a vehicle. But we're going to do something. Probably at least put that pipe in there and fix us a little trench to divert the water into it from either direction. And then once I get the pipe in, we'll get this dirt spread and see what it looks like. The first thing is getting the pipe put in. Well, the ground's froze hard enough. That may not work. I have to wait till it thaws some today. Instead of giving up on my pipe installation, or waiting until the ground thaws out, I went and got my stump bucket, and I'm going to see if I can start down here and trench that up through there. It might work better than trying to do it the way I was doing it. I was wanting to try to scoop them gravel off, but I can't do that right now anyways. But we'll try this and see how it goes. I was going to show you right here where this ground froze. That is slick as could be. You can't get any traction. The only way you can get traction on that is to have chains. So, I mean, I'm digging it, but it would do a lot better if I could get some traction. We'll keep after here and head a few more passes and see what happens. If this ground hadn't been froze, that would have been a totally different scenario. But I think what it is, that tree shades the sun. And it's been cold for several days. And this little strip right through here where I'm working just hasn't thawed out. You can tell again right here where I was spinning, just no traction whatsoever right there. But I ended up getting it cleaned out pretty good. I want to go ahead and make me a little entrance to each side of this before I put the pipe in it. That way I don't get dirt in the end of the pipe. I'll probably clean that end out down there just a little bit deeper, and then we'll put the pipe in and cover it back over. Okay, I got interrupted while I was finishing up the pipe, and when I come back down here to finish it, I didn't bring my camera with me, but I got the pipe in, got it covered. Might have to do a little more work right in here to get the water diverted into it, but it's in there. So now I want to go to start spreading this dirt. It's got a few rocks in it, more than I would like. I'll probably have to try to sort some of them out. And this ain't gonna be like a perfectly level area, but it's not gonna be a hole in there like it was before. But I'm just gonna try to get everything kind of blended in, widen it on out down towards that electrical line, and make room to park stuff here, or if we ever wanted to put one of them metal carports or something on it, we could. But I'll get started on that. We got what dirt we had spread out. Like I said, I wasn't really looking to make a perfectly level area, but something that kind of blends in good, but still level enough to where it's not, you know, you're not backing down in a hole and that type of thing. It's got enough slope this way, the water's going to run off of it, the water's not going to stand and make a muddy spot. Got the rocks all separated out. I'll have to find something to do with that pile of rocks. Do a little dressing up around the end of the pipe over here. Got everything packed in good. Packed this bank. If I can get some more dirt, what I'm wanting to do is just come from there, not widen the pad out anymore, but bring it and taper this out to make it a little easier to maintain and mow. There's some sticks and rocks and a few things in there that needs picked up, but I'm not going to do that right now. In case I do come up with some more dirt, I can just cover that stuff over. But that's gonna make a nice usable spot right there. Kind of hoping we're going to end up with something to park there that we're kind of checking into. Can't talk about that right at the moment because I don't know what's going to happen, but we're looking into something to put there, to park there, so it'll be out of the way. So we've got that ready in case it works out. If it don't work out, that's okay too. But if y'all will, please like, subscribe, and comment. Appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you on the next one.